It's the semi-finals and probably the most highly anticipated fight of the Contender series, Sakima versus Tetsi. They traded hit after hit, but at the end of all of it, Tetsi couldn't leave without giving his favorite girl a kiss.
Different location, but a big fight tonight. It's Sakima Mr. Smooth Mullings versus Tetsi Lights Out Davis.
No wagwan, but so far when me see it a good fight. I like wagwan.
Fight great, Tetsi my favorite boxer.
It's only fitting for me to ask Patrick about the fight. Patrick, what a close fight!
A battle of attrition. I asked Sakima why he couldn't impose his will on Tetsi, and he said he did, but I don't think he did.
I did not expect 7 rounds from Tetsi, but that was a good fight.
For the winner, by split decision, Sakima.
Sakima, congratulations. How was the fight tonight?
Tough fight, game opponent. I think Tetsi Davis is a very good fighter, but I think that I did enough to win the fight.
Why were you on the ropes so much tonight?
In one instance, I believe Tetsi was able to impose his will on me and keep me on the ropes. In all the other instances, I put myself on the ropes, and I chose to fight off the ropes. And within fighting off the rope, I think that I landed the cleaner, harder, and more telling shots. I was slipping, bobbing, weaving, catching, shooting a lot of his shots that he was throwing while I was on the ropes.
What are your thoughts on the decision?
Well, as I say, I am not the judge. I not complain, I not find no excuse. Anyway, then give it, I just accept it.
What you did in terms of preparation for Sakima's fight tonight?
Well, I just keep a cool head, try to be calm.
Very, very close, but Jamaica's #1 ranked boxer kept his title tonight. Sakima, you're on to the finals.